So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David. In today's video, we are going to look at creating a Coursehero account and unlocking assignments. But before you start, kindly, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. And now let's get started. And now let's do it together. So the first thing we're going to do is to open our browser. I'm going to use Chrome. I will use Chrome. And then upon opening the browser, the next thing you're going to do is to type Coursehero. Coursehero, log in. It's a very simple process, guys. I hope as we continue, you're going to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And then the next area we are going to work on is sign up. Remember, we are creating an account, and then I show you how we unlock assignments. So in this particular area, click I am a student. Now click this particular button, sign up with email, and then I'm going to input an email address here. I'm going to paste the email address there and key in my name. I'm going to use Keki as my name, my school. I'm going to choose the College of Charleston, and then the school issued email. So I'm going to choose a different email here and then paste it here, and then I'm going to create a simple password and then click that I'm not a robot and wait to create my account. So I have to click all the areas where we have mountains here to make sure that my account becomes active, so I cannot see any other. Please select all matching emails. I don't know whether this one is, maybe I can work with that and see whether it will work good. We are good to go. So we can now create the account. And the next step will be uploading the documents to get our first unlocks. So the next thing we are going to do is to input the course names. So I'm going to choose business there, and then this one I'm also going to work with the business, and then this is also business, so I'm going to work with business also. So business management, and then that one will also be business. This is also business assignments. This is nursing. This one is nursing. And then business again. Another business again. Business again. This is literature. I don't know whether we have literature, and then the last one here is nursing. The last one here is nursing. And then after that, so of course you have to wait for your documents to be processed and accepted. Once at least 10 have been accepted, you'll be able to get unlocks around this particular area. So all you have to do is to wait for your documents to be processed by Coursehero. Once all that is done, you will be able to get unlocks right here. So let's give it some time, guys, and see what happens next. Unlocks. I've uploaded more documents as it was loading, and you're going to see that we now have several assignments, as we are going to see. We have several assignments, as we are going to see. If you look at around this given area, you can see that we have around 26 unlocks. So one thing that you're going to do, you're going to unlock an assignment and see how this one is achieved. So I'm going to copy this question. I'm going to copy this question and then type Coursehero, and then paste the question there and click enter. So once I do that, I'm going to get this particular question. Maybe this is what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click there, and then the Coursehero will ask me to unlock that particular document. And then so you see the question is here, so I'm going to click around this given area, and then the particular question will be unlocked. That particular question will be unlocked in a few seconds. So let's give it time, and then we check how it works. And now there we go. So we're going to have the week 5 discussion question already here. So we give it some few seconds to load, and then we'll be able to see it. And here is the question answered in full. So what you do, you just download this file. So you have the download button here, you just download, and then you will be sorted. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys will consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's a goodbye from me.